What up, y'all? So, just another day, getting the vet warmed up. Heading over to my partner's house today. He just got a Firebird not too long ago. Maybe '01, '02, something like that. But anyway, LS1 Firebird. So we over here tearing all this stuff apart. We're putting new brakes in it, drilled and slotted rotors front and back, new pads, new shocks, all of that stuff. So didn't really record actually doing most of the work, so my bad on all of that, but kind of focused on working this time. But these are the brakes. If you're looking for some for a Firebird, I'll link them on here. Shocks, I'll see if I can find the link that he had for those too. But pretty soon we're gonna have this Firebird up and running, and then we'll start getting some videos with the Firebird and the vet. So hopefully y'all enjoy that. So stick around.